Well, I'm here at the Best Western in Superior, Wisconsin. Taking a walk to breakfast. Yeah, we'll just check out and see what they got here. Coffee, hot water, decaf, orange, cranberry, apple, and water. Juice. They got some toppings over here. Looks like raisins, cranberries, and down in here some brown sugar. And we do have pre-made omelets and bacon. Very good. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Got a bunch of muffins, some blueberry and some chocolate, and then some pre-made cinnamon buns, some chewy bars, and a little bit of fruit, some bananas, oranges, apples, looks like. Different types of cereal. Got a good selection here at least. 2% and skim, no whole. Whoopsie. And then over here, we got some fruit cups, some cream cheese down here, and we got different assortments of yogurt. We don't have any bagels. Slightly disappointed on that. But what are these down here? Oh, they're bagels, but they're in a prepackaged package. Nice. We have a toaster and different toppings, and looks like maybe strawberries down here. I'm not sure. We got waffles, full size or minis. And so yeah, pretty good on the Superior, Wisconsin breakfast. Well, you know me. Gotta have the hot stuff. So we're gonna grab some omelets and bacon and just roll with it. Yeah, Mommy found the clock and put it back because it was way bright. Why the F they don't put dimmers on these things is beyond me. I don't need a freaking diesel locomotive headlight staring me in the face all night long. Oh, thanks. No receipt. Okay, well I paid.
Okay,
It did not print a receipt for me, but I did follow the steps.
Can I actually just take a quick picture, guys? And I would totally recommend doing that too, because it lasts.
We're in Duluth, Minnesota right now. Checking this out. Took a little walk on this little jetty out here. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous over here. Just over the water right here is Superior, Wisconsin. So yeah, very nice day. Just in the 70s. Beautiful day in Duluth. So let me get the dogs and we'll head over this way, and the bridge is indeed going up.
Oh, right? Is it really?
Yes. You want to hold the dogs or no? Okay, I'll just clamp them. It's okay. You stay. Let me zoom in on it. Stop it.
It's going. Oh, it is going. So that bridge.
Okay, there we go.
Moving up. You can hear all the alarms going off. It's getting higher and higher, so that the boats can come through. Isn't that cool? See if I can zoom in a little bit. It's going up.
And we got a couple boats coming through right now. And I think that's all the higher it's going to get.
Yeah, but it can go all the way up, as you can see the towers there.
Beautiful day in Duluth.
Cool. Duluth, Minnesota.
Both lights work, however the switches are installed incorrectly. Up should be on, down should be off.
That can be a manufactured defect.
Oh, well, I'm sure it's just the way they manufacture it, yes. These are sideways.
Right.
One light,
No,
two lights.
No scratching, Mommy.
Okay, let's check out of this
You see what
bitch.
she's doing?
Well, this is the breakfast in Bismarck, North Dakota. Cereal, waffles with toppings, very nice. Various kinds of milk, some hard-boiled eggs, and several different kinds of yogurt. Very nice. With cream cheese for the bagels. And I've got mine right there, biscuits and gravy. I always pre-cut it and put it in a bowl. And check this out, first time I've seen this. They have grapes with like cantaloupe and strawberries mixed in with them. Here's a list of everything that's available. And so we've got some egg patties. Not a super fan, but we definitely have gravy. And over here we have biscuits. Very nice. Bismarck, North Dakota. Well, those are about annoying. LED headlights strobing. But the camera's picking it up much different than it actually is. But I can see them strobing with my naked eyes. Anyhow, we are about 23 miles from our destination in Great Falls, Montana, in a construction zone right here. And yes, the window is completely covered in bugs once again. We're by a little rest stop right here, and we're just trying to gear going. So on the odometer, we got 171, 162, and our total trip thus far is 7,219 miles. We traveled 509 today. Beautiful area, beautiful area. Dogs are having a blast back here. There's Rosie. There she is. Rosie girl. And we're just waiting for traffic to start moving along again so we can get to our destination, which says it's only 28 minutes away. Of course, we're stopped right now, so it's not really helping at all. We were down to arrival at 4:57 p.m. It's up to 5 already, so it's just going to keep counting until we actually start moving again. Well, I guess up that way a couple miles is Rainbow Falls, but we're here in Great Falls, Montana right now. And so we took a nice little drive this morning. We got about a 4-hour drive to get to Idaho today. And we came across Black Eagle Falls. Look at that. How beautiful. Black Eagle Falls in Great Falls, Montana. Well, here we are at Rainbow Falls. Taking a look at the natural falls right there. Forget how many feet they say they are, but very beautiful to look at. Tell you that. Behind that, I believe it's called Ryan Bridge, and a nice steel train trestle behind that. The town of Great Falls is actually somewhere down there in that direction. A couple nice TV towers right there. But yeah, hey, hit the road. Bonners Ferry, Idaho tonight. Actually, hopefully this afternoon. Well, we're somewhere up here in Montana. Glacier Peak, Montana. Just want to show you how beautiful it is up here. This is mid-July. It's noon 30 right now, and there's snow out here, and it is 77 degrees outside. Wow. Some train tracks over there. It is absolutely beautiful up here. Holy crap. Who wouldn't want to just live here and have this view every day? Of course, the winters are probably a little bit brutal. Yeah, I got to give you that. A little brutal in the wintertime. Anyhow, I thought I'd just show you how beautiful it is up here in Montana. We are headed to Bonners Ferry, Idaho. And it says, according to GPS, we will be there at 3:24 this afternoon. And I bet it's going to be like 4:30 because speed limit is 70 and we are currently going 47 miles an hour right now. Because and we're slowing down. We got some slope up there. It's like afraid to go past 50. All right, anyhow, just an update. Well, this is Bonners Ferry, Idaho. Just getting ready to pack up and leave. Beautiful here. We're right on the river. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So tranquil here. Every now and then you hear a train come by. There's a set of tracks way over yonder somewhere. But so peaceful. Just left the door open a little bit last night. Nice cool air coming in. It's probably 65 degrees. Very nice. Anyhow, on our way to Edmonds, Washington, a suburb of Seattle. So I'm thinking this box is the same exact box that was here so many years ago when I did this video of the train coming around that bend right there. Now I think the box behind it is new, but I'm pretty sure that that signal right there is in one of my videos from like 1985 or something. I'm gonna have to review the video now and see what's there, kind of what's changed. But I think I got a picture of that sign right there, Clark Fork and Sandpoint. And I'm pretty sure I've got video of the train coming around this, once again, from the 80s. I'll have to get my VHS tape out and find out. All right, on to bigger and better things. Gotta go through Sandpoint. I bet in that box is exactly the same. I don't think it's ever changed. I think that sign right there, I think I've got a close-up of it in the video. I'll have to look and see. All right, on to bigger and better things. We're up here in northern Idaho. Hope, Idaho, which is just outside Sandpoint, which is just outside Coeur d'Alene. And you can't really see it, but there's the lake, Lake Pend Oreille right there. Well, it looks like Northern California, but it's not. It's eastern Washington. We're just out of Spokane. Only by like maybe 30 or 40 miles. If I woke up and I looked outside and I saw this, I would think this is Northern California in July. This is what it looks like. I honestly expected a lot more green on the side of the road than this. Well, we're coming into Seattle. Kind of hard to see over there, but there's the big space anal probe, the Space Needle. And yeah, anyhow,
Beautiful.
there we are. We're in the HOV lane going under the bridge because the top is just all stoved up really bad.
Thank God.
Seattle, Seattle, Seattle. Okay, it is July 20th. Really? Well, we're somewhere up here in Idaho, or let's start that over. Whoops. Bathroom, all the lights work.
You broke it.
What?
That's all.